how did you learn coding, and how did you get to a point where you had to develop Pina?
Okay, so as I said, winding down from Accra, I started to think about, okay, how can I learn how to code? So I had various ideas, right? The initial ideas, crazy ones, like, oh, so I'll come home, I'll go to IPMC or something, do a crash program for like 2 months. Genius, right? Do a crash program for like 2 months, and then now I'm good to go, right? At that time, I was looking at, I have savings, right? So
at that point, you had just quit your job, right?
Yeah. So basically, and I'm not like an avid saver, to be very honest, right? I'm not an avid saver, but I always, somehow, I just believe things will work out. Like, please don't misunderstand. It's not I just believe. I think about them, but subconsciously, everything gets done. So what I did was, I said, okay, I have to learn how to program. But before that, I didn't believe I needed the app then, right? So I said I needed like creatives, right? Because I just worked in corporate, so I understood like the value of marketing and things. So I needed creatives. So how do I get creatives? I have the ideas. I know how I want my creatives to look like, right? But I didn't know how to do anything. And so I started, I bought a Udemy course, right?
Okay.
It was like 210 cities, so this highly discounted, or 180. I always look for those ones, highly discounted ones. Yeah, so I bought it, and I started learning, right? And it was just not about building creative, it was also UX design. So that's app design and software design, right? So I started learning about it, then I started to design some terrible flyers. But at that time, I was genius, right? I thought it was it, right? And my idea was that I'll use these flyers. I just have to blast them through. You know, naivety is very good when you're starting anything. I'll just blast them through social media, and people will be like, wow, I always wanted a delivery guy. Look at these guys. Let me use them.